am here on a fabulous Club Thursday for a wonderful door hanger. Now I picked up a few of these wooden pieces off Amazon, and I figured they fit this month's club transfer to a T, so I was so excited to bring this to you guys. The very first thing I'm going to do is I am going to take a piece of the greenery. Now this month's transfer comes with two pieces. It comes with a top flat piece and a bottom curved piece. So there are lots of accents and lots of fun ideas. The other pieces that it comes with are a season's greeting sentiment, as well as a little deer, which would be really cute for tags or ornaments, and you will see me use that later on in this video. Now as you can see on the video right here, I am taking a meadow paste and I am mixing it with a shimmer shadow paste, and what that's going to do is that's going to create like an evergreen color. I only had two light colors of green, and I really wanted the greenery in this transfer to be a darker evergreen color. So I mixed that with the shimmer shadow and it actually came out really perfect. I put it in a little reusable sample jar so that way I can put the top on it and I can keep it and use it later on in some more projects. I am also using our detail tool to come along, or I'm sorry, that's our multi-purpose tool, and that is allowing me to get some of those smaller sections of our transfer. One end does scrape around the paste jar and stir in your paste nice and tight. The other side is a smaller end, and that's what you see me using there. Now I am coming through with some shimmer crimson, and I just did those cranberries up nice. I'm going to pull and reveal it, and you can see how beautiful that accent piece is. It works wonderful for this transfer as well as to mix and match with other transfers. You now see me coming through with a bark, which is a beautiful dark brown color if you were looking to pull some of the browns in from nature. That's that little deer transfer that comes with this month's transfer of the month, and it is just adorable. There are a lot of things that you can do with that one, from coffee mugs to ornaments and so on and so forth. And then this is the final piece of that club transfer, and this one says Season's Greetings. Okay, so there's four pieces all together. There's two greeneries, one curved, one flat, then the deer and the Season's Greetings. I'm coming through with the shimmer crimson on top, and then I'm going to take that color that I mixed together, that darker green, and I'm going to come through with that on the greetings part of it. And again, you're just applying liberally and scraping off any excess and putting it right back in the paste jar. And there you guys have it. Nice, clean, crisp edges every single time. I'm just going to take some twine and I'm going to tie it across the top. There are a lot of different ways that you can tie your twine. Some like to pull it through and tie it on the back so you don't see it. I like to tie it right up on top. I think that it gives it more detail. I'm also going to take a little burlap ribbon and some little cranberry accents that I had, and I am just going to tie them right around that twine up on top. And there you have a little accent piece. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you are not a club member, feel free to comment below or subscribe on my website. Thanks and have a great day.